Woody and his pals will return in a moment.
Go ahead. Judge me. I know it's wrong for me to want to eat Cinnamon Toast Crunch, considering I'm also Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But ever since my first crunchy, swirly, Cinnadust-covered bite, I can't hide who I am. And the truth is, I don't want to. Must Cinnadust.
A large touchscreen keeps everyone happy. The Subaru Crosstrek. Dog tested, dog approved.
Subway's protein-packed footlongs are the perfect way to fill up for your day. Like the All-American Club or the Ultimate BMT. Okay, zoom in. Whoa, that's 54 grams of protein. And now, buy any footlong in the app, get another half off. Order now on the Subway app.
The sun rises for everyone at Sunrise Auto Sales with cars, trucks, and SUVs. As it says. That for more than 10 years has served the Hispanic community of Las Vegas. As it says. Would you like to establish your credit? Yeah! As it says. Do you have a license from your country? Yeah! As it says. So, if you don't have a car, it means you don't want one. Get on over to Sunrise Auto Sales, where the sun rises for everyone. As it says.
The new SpongeBob Stretch Pants toys are here!
Stretch Pants! Now that's a stretch! Keep going, keep going. Okay, that was too far.
You can get SpongeBob Stretch Pants from Alpha! Available now at Target.
Congratulations! You kept a plant alive another day. You deserve a refreshing reward. Introducing new Woodafreshers from Whataburger. You finally returned a text. Thumbs up emoji. You hung up a shirt. You changed a light bulb. You walked the dog around the whole block. Attaboy, it's treat time. The new Prickly Pear Raspberry Woodafresher from Whataburger.
An icicle treat for every small feat. Whataburger.
Get yourself ready for a trip through McDonald land. There's fish shaped volcanoes. You'll even find a French fry veg. But just turn around and see if you won't find a hamburger patch. As a handful of McDonald's and McDonald land.
Come get the new Mount McDonald Land Shake when you order the McDonald Land meal.
It's me, Wednesday Addams. I regret to inform you that I have devised the meal of misfortune with Wendy's. Normally I'd be against this type of capitalistic corporate synergy. But when the other pigtailed provocateur said I could concoct my own Frosty, I melted. My meal is tribute to the suffering that awaits us all. It's pure torture for your taste buds, with 4 nightmarish dips of dread. Don't waste my time asking which ones you'll get. You must surrender to your fate. Enjoy the anguish.
At Burger King, we don't listen to celebrities, we listen to you. Your next creation is here, the Crispy Onion Whopper. It's got the crisp, the crunch, the bacon, and it's imagined by you. Try the latest in the Whopper by You series today.
Wait, there's a peanut inside me? Nice. M&M's. It's more fun together.
Chicken dance again. Oh, sorry. Gary, can we do something?
I'll be right back. Hey, excuse me, do you think you could... Okay.
Can't be the bride who had the chicken dance wedding.
Still down for burgers after? I'm kind of feeling chicken.
And now, on with the show.